What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over a quick little trading update with you guys and pretty much go over the two trades that I ended up taking today on Monday, July 9th, 2018. And for those of you guys that watched my pre-market movers video, you saw I was talking about Micron, LABD, I was talking about Drip, DGAS, and I think those are the four that I was talking about, right? And for those of you guys that watched that, let me know if you guys like the pre-market hour videos. I might consider making a couple of those per week or every single day if there's demand for them. So drop a comment down below or shoot me a message on here or Instagram letting me know if you guys, enjoyed those videos. And for those of you guys that are new here, my name is Stas, and I pretty much just make videos on swing trading, day trading, long-term investing, and my philosophies and strategies in the stock market. So for those of you guys that are interested in learning more about the stock market, trading, and investing, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and let's get started with the topic of this video. So the two trades that I ended up taking today were in LABD, one of them, and in DGAS. And I put this on my story today. I ended up getting into DGAS at about $24.85, I believe was my initial position here, and I'm only in with about 25 shares right now, right? And I'm scaling slowly into this particular position, and this is what I do with every single position that I take in, and I'm in with about $650, which is about 10 to 15% of my average position. So why pretty much I'm trading DGAS, right, is because natural gas has broken this particular channel that it's been trading within for the past couple of weeks. If we look back over here to the 180-day 4-hour chart, we see that as indicated by these trend lines here, natural gas was trading between $2.90 up to $3. And once it broke this channel, guys, the EMA line started to act as a resistance level, meaning that the candlesticks are getting rejected by the EMA line and they're continuing to make lower lows. And this could mean that, natural gas is reversing from an uptrend pattern back to a downtrending pattern. If we look back over to the 180-day chart, we see that over the past couple of months, this has been on an uptrending pattern, making higher highs. And ever since the break of that channel, we've been seeing some lower low action here. So this could mean a reversal in natural gas. And I personally took a position in DGAS when natural gas was at about $2.8. I think it was at 2.828. So now we see it at 2.831. So it's up a little bit further from where I took my initial position. But this is why, dollar cost averaging is the way to go, especially if you're trading, in the stock market, and especially with investing as well, long-term investing. This is what you guys want to be doing, slowly scaling into your positions. So as we see clearly, guys, this one has been downtrending over the past couple of days. And DGAS, as of now, does have potential, in my personal opinion, to run back up to previous resistance levels at about $26. And for those of you guys that don't know, previous support levels, once they're broken beneath of, become the, new resistance levels. So obviously, this was a support level like drawn out here on this trend line at about $26 or $25.50 to $26. And once that was broken below, it became a new resistance level. So right now, we saw, DGAS consolidated at about $21, and now it's shooting up, and it's, trying to get back to that $26 resistance level. And pretty much how much potential for profit we do have with this ETF, if we go to the 90-day 2-hour chart, back up to about $25.50 initially. Let's say, like I got in at about $24.85. Let's say our average position is around there, up to about $26. That is about a 5% trade, 4.5 to 5% trade. And then the next resistance level, which is at about $27, and I can illustrate that for you guys really quickly right here. Right around here is the next resistance level, right, about $27.20. From about $25, let's say that's our average position, up to about $27, that offers an 8% potential for profit. So DGAS is a 5 to 8% potential for profit, and I'm in with an average of, $24.85 as of now with 25 shares, and I do plan on adding more to this position tomorrow. So that's the first trade that I ended up taking today, and the second trade that I ended up taking today was LABD. This one is, it's another inverse ETF. Its inverse is LABU, right, and these two ETFs, they trade based upon SPS IBI. And why I took a smaller initial position on SPS IBI is because we see here it's at a resistance level right now. The particular index that trades, that LABD trades based upon is at a resistance level. Whenever this ETF, or excuse me, whenever this index is going down in price, that's when LABD is going up in price. So since it's at a resistance level right now, this could mean, it's not definite, but this could mean that LABD could experience a little pullback, especially because this index has had about like a week straight of green days. So this could be a point, where LABD does end up pulling back, or excuse me, this index does end up pulling back, which means, LABD is going to shoot up. And if we look back at LABD, it is at a consolidation point, although this one is a downtrending ETF over time, and it does have maybe a little bit more potential to fall down. This one does have potential to shoot back up a little bit if SPS IBI does end up going down, like I mentioned before. And I'm in this one with an average position at about $21.85, and this one is a little bit smaller of an initial position than DGAS. I'm in with about $500. Very small here since it is a downtrending ETF over time. I usually scale into those a little bit slower, a little bit with a little bit smaller positions than other ETFs or stocks. So that's what I'm doing with LABD. And if we do look back at SPS IBI, we do see it's on an uptrending pattern over time, and it's creating higher highs. So it does have potential to shoot up maybe into the low 8,000s before we do experience a pullback. But that is exactly why I took a very small position in LABD, because if it ends up shooting back up here, I can just average down with LABD and hold it for a week or two as a swing trade, because I do see a ton of potential in LABD. And if we look back over to LABD really quickly, let's say we got in at about $22, up to previous resistance levels at about 25. That offers 14% potential for profit. So this one is a bigger profit margin than DGAS, right? But it is a little bit more risky, which is why I took a smaller position in it. So that's just a recap of my trades today. And for those Micron shareholders out there like myself, we saw a nice solid day today. We saw about a 2% growth, $1.08. And now, in my personal opinion, this support level at about $52 to $53 has been solidified. We're trading above the EMA line now. We're trading above the 50-day SMA line. And my personal opinion, now is a good time to put some money into Micron, especially with the low PE ratio. Last time I checked, it was at about 5, with a forward PE at about 3. But this is a great sign for Micron and us shareholders. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little recap video. If you did, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. The link is down below my description. @StriveSmart is my username. Make sure to do your own research before buying or selling any stocks or ETFs. Do not do any of this based off of my personal opinion. You have to become a self-sufficient trader in the stock market. And yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's make some money today, guys. Peace.